Hello friends, welcome to Arihan Diamond Institute. Our today's video is about knowing about the measuring unit of diamonds. As you all know that to measure each and everything, there are fixed and standardized units which have its own name and importance too. We can't give name of the units by measuring ourselves. Let's see one example. Like if we talk about gold, so it is measured in grams and even its price is declared in grams. So what about diamonds? It is measured in which unit and how it's identified? For details on this topic, stay tuned till the end. Diamonds are always measured in carats. Whether it's of any size, -2, star, Mallet, 11 or pointer solitaires, it's measured in the unit of carat always. Carat, the term derived from the word carob, which are Mediterranean seeds which played an important role in trade centuries ago. Even though the carob seeds were inedible, but due to its uniform size and weight, they were used to measure precious gemstones having higher values. Now 1 carat is defined as 1/5 of a gram or 200 milligrams. So by 1930s, the majority of countries which were involved in the diamonds and gemstones accepted carat as a standardized measurement after having accepted by United States in 1913. And which goes like this: 1 carat is equal to 100 cents or points, 1 carat is equal to 0.200 grams or 200 milligrams. Diamond's weight is so precise that polished diamonds are weighted to 1,000th of a carat and then rounded off to the third decimals. Does it sound confusing? So for it, let's take an example. As you can see that this is the weight of a diamond, which is 3.264. So how we will read this in the language of diamonds? It will be 3 carat and 264 cents. The digit before decimal is carat and 2 digits after decimal are cents. And the third digit is used to make round off. So the weight of each of our diamond is specified till third decimal digit. And if we talk about cents, so it is the unit lower than carat to show diamond's weight. And 1 carat is divided into 100 parts and each part is called cent. So cent is 1 upon 100 of a carat. Further, we have to understand that how it functions in terms of valuation. Say if there are 2 diamonds of 50 cents. Now the sum total of these two will be 1 carat, right? But the values of this 1 carat and another single stone of 1 carat will vary. It will not be the same. Over here, the knowledge of valuation plays a vital role. Valuation? Who will teach you this? Not to worry at all. Arihan Diamond Institute welcomes you, which is the world's only institute which conducts market research, market survey, market analysis, market experience, and factory visit. Gain this phenomenal art of valuation with the noteworthy experience of 22 years in expertising the students in rough and polished diamonds valuation. With 24 different courses from rough to jewelry designing with its valuation, 14 crash courses and 1 online course. So friends, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, share our video and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.